In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in Windows 10 using Microsoft OneNote. This is a quick and efficient way to capture anything on your screen and send it directly into your notes, making it perfect for saving important information, images, or references while you work or study. To begin, make sure Microsoft OneNote is installed and running on your computer. You don't necessarily need to have a notebook open, but it helps to have OneNote ready so your screenshots can be sent there immediately. Once you're set, navigate to the screen you want to capture. Now, instead of using traditional screenshot tools, OneNote provides a built-in shortcut that makes this process incredibly fast. On your keyboard, press the Windows key together with Shift and the letter S. As soon as you press this combination, your screen will dim slightly, and your cursor will change, allowing you to select the area you want to capture. Click and drag your mouse over the portion of the screen you want to screenshot. As you release the mouse, the selected area will be captured instantly. A small notification may appear, indicating that your screen clipping has been copied. At this point, OneNote automatically saves the screenshot to your clipboard, and depending on your settings, it may prompt you to choose where to send it. If prompted, select the notebook and page where you want the screenshot to be placed. If not, you can simply open OneNote, go to your desired page, and paste the screenshot using the standard paste command. Once the screenshot is in OneNote, you can move, resize, or annotate it just like any other image. You can add text, draw highlights, or include additional notes around it to provide context. This makes it extremely useful for creating visual references or capturing important details quickly. Using OneNote for screenshots helps streamline your workflow, especially when you're gathering information from multiple sources. Everything stays organized in one place, making it easier to review and manage your notes later. And that's it. You now know how to take a screenshot in Windows 10 using Microsoft OneNote quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.